Apache OpenOffice Writer 4.1 Outline Numbering and Multi-Level Lists. To change the list in the sample text to outline numbering, we first select the text by highlighting it. We then select Format, Bullets and Numbering, and from the Options tab on the Bullets and Numbering dialog box, Level 1 we would like to remain the same with numbering and a full stop after the number. Level 2 we would like to change to Roman numerals with a round bracket. We select OK, and as you can see, numbering has applied. To change the second level, we use the Bullets and Numbering extra toolbar that has appeared, and we select Demote one level, and we can demote all the required text to the level selected.